Earlier today, I got a request to get a 2-bedroom apartment in the heart of Chevron, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. And guess what I found? You only get a 2-bedroom apartment right here for short-let purpose between the price range of 80,000 naira to 100,000 naira per night. That is a whole lot of money on a monthly basis. When you calculate all of that together on a yearly basis, I mean, you should be making nothing or less more than 15 million naira on short-let apartments. And this is how some smart investors earn their money in real estate. Now, it's not just until you buy land or until when you buy a property, or that's the only way you can make money. One way to make money is also through short-let apartment. And right here in this amazing development, we have the 1-bedroom, we have the 2-bedroom, or we also have the 3-bedroom for you right here in this amazing development coming up. Not just that, this amazing development is already situated in an already developed estate. I mean, this estate, once you are not a resident in this area, you can't come in anything after 6 p.m. Only residents are allowed to come in. And then let's say you want to come in, you have to call, so that those residents living here, we have to give you approval to come into this estate by calling either the CSO or the security men at the gate at that point in time. So security is top notch in this area. And you already know one particular location where people go to the most is Chevron, Lekki. So the market is here already. We have the 1-bedroom, we have the 2-bedroom, and we have the 3-bedroom right here. This apartment is what we call the Chevy Castle Apartment, right here in the heart of Chevron, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. The 1-bedroom is going for 48 million naira, the 2-bedroom is going for 65 million naira, and the 3-bedroom is going for 80 million naira. With 20 million naira deposit, you are good to go. I can spread balance easy, right? So you don't have to break the bank to key into this development, or just 20 million to key into any of the available units. But the 1-bedroom really have just 1 unit left. So if you want to go for the 1-bedroom, you need to give me a call right now, or click on the WhatsApp link in the description section. I need to bring you down into our DM. Though for the 2-bedroom, we still have about 2-3 units. Likewise for the 3-bedroom as well. So we have just few units available here to sell. Now you can buy here, and use for rentals, number 1. You can buy here and use for short-let apartment, number 2. You can also buy here and use for your personal use, because trust me, this apartment is coming all luxurious. It has a gym center, there will be a swimming pool, there will be amazing amenities right here in this beautiful estate. You can see the gatehouse is already standing. You can see the structure is already up, because compared to the last time we were here, the structures were not as standing as this. So what you want to do right now is give me a call, or click on the WhatsApp link in the description section, which will bring you straight into our DM. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so right now. I urge you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel, because you can see, if you check our past videos, we are putting in our effort to give you just the best when keying into real estate development here in Lagos, Nigeria. And that is one of our top goals when coming to real estate investment. We are here to make you, or to help you in the process, whereby your investment here in Lagos would be seamless when investing with us at Update Homes and Properties. So to get started, please click on that WhatsApp link to bring you straight into our DM. I'll be showing you around about the amazing development we have right here. All you have to do is just sit back and watch. Expect you in my DM.